Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, wanted to give you a quick hack or a quick tip on how to get more testimonials and or build up your business. So this is, wanted to just walk you through this quick setup here. So what I did here, this is an email that I sent back to a client because they wanted to have a free discovery call. I did that. I kind of whet their appetite a little bit. And it says, gosh, I really like to meet with you again. So what I wanted to do was give them an opportunity instead of sending them to my paid calendar again, give them an option that says, hey, you don't have to go to the paid calendar. You still can get an opportunity to get another complimentary session with me by using. So the tool that I use for this is Ontraport, and I think it's a link for that if you wanted to use that. But it's a very comprehensive CRM that I use amongst others. I use two main CRMs. I use a full-blown marketing CRM, which is VBout. There's a link in there for that. But this is one that I use to do some more granular things in my businesses, and this one allows me to run multiple businesses from it. So I can send an email. I have 15 different email addresses I can send from. So that's one of the things I like using Ontraport for, so I can use different domains from it. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and talk about what I did here. So I put hello, then I insert the client's name here. It was great talking with you today on one of my available complimentary retirement slots. I would like to offer you another complimentary discovery session in exchange for a short video or verbal testimonial based on our discussions and your experience thus far. And then it says you can find the following options available for your consideration. So one, I'm giving them some options. Is, hey, you can book a call with no testimonial agreement by clicking here, by going here. And so what that's going to do is that's going to take them, if they click that, I'm just giving them options. If they click that, that's going to take them here, but this is a $57 price, but they can actually go here and they can still book another call if they wanted to. So that's where that'll take them. All right. So then they can say, hey, or I can book a call with a short book a free call with a 60-second video or Google testimonial review by going here. So when they click that, they'll get a free chat. They'll get that available to them. Calendar opens up so they can get the free chat there as an option as well. So that's, if they do the testimonial, they'll get that. This is what happens when they click on a video testimonial link that can be found here. So I'm giving them an option, right? Not overwhelming them, but some people don't like doing videos. If you don't like doing a video, then I want to get you on a Google testimonial link, right? And I'm embedding the link here. I just click there and then I embed the link and I put the link inside of here. Now this is 3 links going out. You have to make sure that you already have a relationship with this client, so the links will be able to get around some of the inboxes. So this is 4 links in here. And so what I wanted to do is show you the video link that I'm using here. And I'm going to use that as well. And there's a link to that in here as well. And so this is the actual, let me show. Yeah, this is the actual one that I'm using. This is the landing page for the video testimonials. This is Social Juice. You can find that in the link below as well. They have a one-time offer on this, limited AppSumo limited offer on this one as well. So what I can do is I have my logo here. I use the same color aesthetics. I can change the color aesthetics, visit there. I have the one that has no option to use their branding. So I selected that, and then they just click here and upload the video testimonial. Of course, this landing page is all customizable. You can put that in there. I'm putting my brand back in front of them as well, and they can just leave that and they can just leave the experience. So I want them to do that before or after the actual appointment. So that, I just wanted to share that with you. I'm going to be giving different tips and tools like this. I do a lot of them already inside my own personal community, but I wanted to do one here so that you guys can see how I put some of my things together and why do I have so many video testimonials. I used to just do video testimonials and it would take some time to get them back. So now if I'm not going to get that, then I would rather get the Google testimonials, which helps me rank higher for the Google My Business. And I just started using the Google My Business on this particular page. I was building up another page, but I want to build up this one more. So I'm giving them the option. Either one is more powerful. I think as I wrap up, I think the Google testimonials are good for people that don't know you, but I think the video testimonials are for people already kind of in your network and your social reach. So for someone who's already on your Facebook page, the video testimonials are powerful because they're already somewhat familiar with your brand. But for cold contacts, people that don't know you, the Google testimonials are more powerful. So it really depends on which one you're trying to build up more. Do you want more cold leads or do you want more warm leads, right? You want to warm up the ones that you have already. And that's what I'd use it too. Depends on what I need. And I'm always going to do both there. So again, and then what I'll do is I'll send out a good time. Sometimes I'll send later. First thing people do is when they get up in the morning is they open up their phone and they start searching through their emails. So I always like to send later, and I'll send about 3:30 or 4:30 in the morning is when I'll send it, and then they'll get it. Or it depends on what I think this client is looking for, that they'll come back to it. Or I'll send it around lunchtime because there's heavy usage around lunch or prior to going to lunch, maybe 11:30, 11:45 their time zone, or I'll send it early in the morning if it's just informational. If I want them to take action on something, I will send it prior to lunch. So around 11:30 is where they have an opportunity to just click on it and just do what I need them to do, or do it in the evenings. All right. So then this has been Jenny Jones with your helpful tip in trying to help you grow your business. You guys take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this is your first time on this channel. I'm going to be dropping a lot more nuggets like this, as this is what people are requesting and requiring me to do. So I'll drop all the links down to the tools that I use. Let me do a recap. So I use Ontraport. I use Ontraport because I can run multiple domains from there, and I can use, because I have a multi-brand agency, I'm always able to use this and I can send from any one of my domains here. So I have 15 domains in here that I send from, but this one platform allows me to send from all of those. This one platform also allows me to connect to 5 to 10 different Stripe pages as well. So if I run an offer on something and I want it to go to one of my other bank accounts, I'll just connect that particular Stripe page to it. So this platform allows me to use multiple Stripe pages, multiple domains. So I run multiple brands out of here. That's the reason why I use Ontraport. And the second tool that I shared with you is Social Juice. So Social Juice will be in here as well. All right. So you can get either one of those. That's for giving the video testimonials. All right. Hope you guys be well. You guys take care. Goodbye for now.